One of the reasons I see businesses failing at using email marketing is because they fear that they're going to be bothering people and they stop sending emails, or they send very few emails and then wonder, why doesn't my email marketing work? Here is what I've discovered over the years. Number one, most people are not paying attention all the time. So you think that everyone on your list is paying attention when in reality, at best, 30 to maybe 40% of people, and that's if you get some really incredible open rates. But for the most part, the industry standard is usually around 18 to 20%. So if you have 1,000 people on that email list, you might be getting 200 people that are paying attention. So here's the deal. Send more emails. And if people think that you're bothering them, guess what? They're going to unsubscribe. And that's okay. You want those people to go because you only want to communicate with people that want to hear from you. And that's actually part of the strategy that we use inside of our businesses, because we want to send more emails to then get people to unsubscribe that don't want to hear from us on a regular basis. But, and there is a but, make sure that you're only sending valuable content on a regular basis. You do not want to send promo after promo after promo. This is something that we discuss inside of our email list building playbook, where we talk about a hybrid email where we can deliver value, but also then pitch in the email, but it's more value than it is pitch. If you want to get access to that, by the way, head on over to emaillistplaybook.com. You'll find all of our email list building strategies inside of there. Also, our email follow-up and our email marketing. Emaillistplaybook.com. Check it out. I think you'll enjoy it, and I hope you've enjoyed this tip.